Alright guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're doing another Technique Tuesday, and we're going to be talking about the wedding style V-Waltz. So Chris already talked about the footwork previously, so now we're going to talk about kind of the leg action, or just a way to make it look more comfortable. So since we are taking slower steps, and for example if we do our hesitation step, we're going to be collecting our free foot underneath in between each step. So what we want to make sure we're doing is we're not just taking a quick step and then tapping, quick step tap, quick step tap, and quick step tap. Because if you watch our timing video, you know that it's going to be 1, hold 2, 3, 2, hold 2, 3. So there's a lot of in between the steps that we need to fill with the music. So the way it's going to look the best is if we actually take our time to collect our feet each time, and making sure that we do end up closing the thighs in between each step. We're going to go slow, 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 and slow. So brushing the feet on the floor and taking our time to collect that foot instead of taking a quick step and tapping in between. That way it doesn't look like a faster dance and it looks still like a slow, comfortable step, and you want to make sure both you and your partner are using the same timing. So in combination with the timing to the music, this step will look something like this, where we're using every single beat of the music even though we're not stepping on every single beat of the music. Another thing, we don't want to be too stiff, just like the other dances. We don't want to keep both legs straight, and it kind of looks a little choppy. So what we do is just keep both knees slightly soft, which just means I'm flexing both of my knees just a little bit. Doesn't have to be super low, so it looks squatty and uncomfortable. Just breaking the lockness of the knees. You can't really see under the dress. So if I lift them up just slightly, you can see that I'm just softening the knees a little bit, nothing crazy, and then just trying to keep this throughout. Of course, I will extend the knees more or less depending on how the size of the step I'm taking, but I'm not trying to lock it out, and then it's a little bit stiff and uncomfortable in the body. So with those two things, the V-Waltz should feel and look a lot more natural and comfortable. So be sure to try that out in any of the steps that you have learned so far. If you haven't learned any of the steps, be sure to check out our playlist. I'm going to link it down below for you. Tons of content for the V-Waltz, and I hope this helped. And we'll see you again in the next one, guys. Bye.